大家好，我叫阿德，欢迎到我的华语教。Hi everyone, I'm Ada, and welcome to my Chinese corner. This video is going to be another installment of the question words, and this time we're going to discuss the question word who or whom, and how to say that in Chinese. The Chinese word for who or whom is 谁, and it can be used as a subject or an object. First, what does it look like if it is a subject? Let me show you with some examples. 谁吃了我的三明治? Who ate my sandwich? 谁可以帮我搬家? Who can help me move house? As you can see from these examples, 谁 comes before the verb. An interesting one is the verb 是, to be. 他是谁? Who is he? So now it comes after the verb. 你爸爸是谁? Who is your father? If you're asking, what is his name? Or just who is he? What does he do? If you ask, 谁是你爸爸? It also means who is your father. But it's more of if you have a group of people and who amongst these people is your father, then you say 谁是你爸爸? 就是他. It's him. So it can come before or after 是, depending on the context. And what does 谁 look like as an object? Again, some examples. 这本书要给谁? To whom should I give this book? 你跟谁说话? Who are you talking to? To whom are you talking? Depending on your grammatical preference in English. So here, 谁 comes after the preposition. 给谁, give whom. Or 跟谁, with whom. So unlike 什么, which means what, 谁 doesn't necessarily come at the end of a sentence. It all depends on the other words in the sentence. If you use it as a subject or an object. 谁 can also be used as whose. And what do you do to get whose? You add 的 after 谁, 谁的, whose. 这本书是谁的? Whose book is this? 这台车是谁的? Whose car is this? 谁的狗在叫? Whose dog is barking? So now, you know how to use 谁 in a sentence, whether it's a subject or an object. And you know how to make whose. And leave a comment with your own questions or the sentences that you've made, and I will take a look at it and help you with your Chinese. And I would also like to thank the people who have subscribed to the channel. The channel is growing, and I hope it can grow even more, because my mission is to teach more people Chinese and to teach people about the beauty of the Chinese language and Chinese culture. So until next time, go out, have fun, and 继续加油